Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, a Logitech mouse, Logitech M325s, and now I'm gonna show you how to use back and forward buttons on this mouse. Okay, so as you can see here on our mouse, we don't have buttons forward and back here on the left side of the mouse, like usual in Logitech mouses. But here we have two little arrows around our scrolling wheel, and as you can see here we have arrow left and arrow right. So arrow right will be forward, but arrow left will be back, as usual in interfaces. So to click left, we should just click our wheel in this way. To click right, we should click in this way. So now I can show you how it works in real life. So let me switch to the to the interface, so to screen recording. So here we are, and as you can see, here is my wheel, and here, for example, I have something opened, right? Our YouTube channel and our video. So I want to go back, so I just clicking on scroll wheel in this way, and as you can see, now I am on my on our channel main page. But when I wanna go forward, so to click this button, right, but using just a mouse, so I click in this way. Okay, that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, please leave me a like and a comment below, and bye, see you.